Welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about the difference of two cubes, and it borders on how to factorize that. Just like when we had the sum of two cubes, the difference of two cubes, like when you have a cube minus b cube, can actually be expressed as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. Now the only difference here is that when you had a cube plus b cube, here the sign is plus, and then the sign is minus here. But when it's now that it's minus, it so the first bracket in the first bracket you have minus, and here the first sign is so here it's minus now and plus, but previously it's plus and minus like that. So when it's minus, minus comes first, and then uh it goes on like that. So with this, how do we deal with this y cube minus 27? That's y cube minus 3 cube. That is y minus 3 into y squared plus y times 3, okay, plus 3 squared. Okay. So finally, that's just going to be y minus 3 into y squared plus 3y plus 9, basically. And then next, you have 64p cube minus q cube. So that is 4p cube, because 64 times 4 times 4 is 64. And then you have p cube minus q cube. How do you do that now? That's 4p minus q into 4p squared, all right, plus 4p times q, then plus q raised to power 2. And if you tidy that up, you get 4p minus q into 64. Oh, sorry. 4 squared is 16, actually, not 64. So that is 16p squared, all right, plus 4pq plus q squared. And that is how that goes. Now, the question is, how do you deal with this? All right, subscribe to. Okay, yeah. Tell me in the comment section what the answer of this is. All right, tell me what the answer would be. Subscribe to this channel so you can always get these videos. Hit the notification bell so you can get alerted each time a new video is released. So I'll be expecting your answer in the comment section. Bye.